Healthwise is really fortunate to work with a very unique group of doctors. They're experts at taking care of patients. They're also experts in generating research that lead to the kind of evidence that helps people make better health decisions. Our medical editors are unique in not only being experts in the evidence and how to combine that evidence with the perspective of patients. We're really proud that our medical editors have decided not to take funds from the drug and device industry, anyone who could have a bias in whether patients choose one treatment over another. Every day, Healthwise and its medical editors are working hard to be sure people have the best possible information to make their healthcare decisions. That way, we can raise the bar on care.
As medical editors, the value that we bring to the process is both our clinician hats as well as our researcher hats.
Certainly I'm a clinician, but I'm an investigator too. And that investigator hat allows me to take the best that science has to offer and bring that science, bring that new knowledge to my patients and to other physicians.
The role of a medical editor is really to kind of help things count twice and thrice. You know, it's good for research and moving the field forward, it's good for patients and getting the right care they need, and it's good for providers and figuring out what the right thing to do for their patients are. We're both pointy-headed researchers and policy wonks, but we're also practical in the trenches docs who have to help people make decisions in the face of uncertainty.
The medical editors are a very special group of people. They are idealists. They are clearly experts in their various clinical domains, and they're very patient-centered people.
We believe in the circle of practice and research and forming each other. So we believe in developing evidence-based solutions, not just the ideas that emerge, but we want to test those ideas.
Each of us in our own way is really trying to bring Healthwise content to the forefront of medicine.
All of us are comparing sort of the gold standard for how you collect data. Is it valuable and who is it valuable to? And we have a really high standard. We need it to work for the patient first and foremost. We need it to work for the care provider, we need it to work for the setting, we need it to work for all the other staff, and we need it to work for the system.
So I think the work that we're doing as medical editors is really providing doctors the tools to be better doctors and helping patients be more engaged consumers of healthcare.